host of eye health and research experts came together in Birmingham to explore the subject of drugs, devices and data, focusing on the future delivery of eye healthcare, in support of the IBSA World Games, which will be hosted in the city this August. The two-day programme was opened by Keith Valentine, CEO of Fight for Sight and Vision Foundation. We caught up with the attendees about their personal highlights.
Someone like myself with visual impairment, the connection between sport, physical activity, well-being, eye research and the clinical system is intimate and authentic in everyday life.
Hello, my name's Susan Mullen. I'm a consultant neuro-ophthalmologist here at University Hospitals Birmingham. I'm also an honorary professor at the University of Birmingham. And for the last 2 days I've been at the Data, Drugs and Devices meeting, which is in support of the International Blind Sport Association Games that will be happening here in August in Birmingham. And I think this conference has been fantastic. One of the key presentations that I was interested was from Associate Professor Laura Downey from the University of Melbourne, and she was talking about dry eye, and dry eye symptoms are particularly disabling for lots of patients with sight loss, particularly glaucoma, or if you have treatment for cataract or age-related macular degeneration. And in her lab, they've developed a point-of-care diagnostic device for dry eye, which will make it much more simple for us to be able to diagnose dry eye, so we're able to manage it better.
Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Hill. I'm an Associate Professor here at the University of Birmingham. My research interests lie around ocular drug delivery. But what I've found really inspiring from the conference today is actually the talk from Professor Alistair Denniston, and he really brought home to me about how important it is that as we move forward using artificial intelligence in research and healthcare, that we make sure we include everybody and not just certain subsets of people within the UK.
Hi, my name is Wenhua Li. I'm the Chief Executive and Chief Scientific Officer at Action Against Age-Related Macular Degeneration, which is a research charity. My favorite thing about this conference today was really how the organizers brought different elements of different technologies all working together to tackle the challenge of sight loss in different degrees and different levels. So that for me, fantastic, great to see other sector or other colleagues doing new stuff for the same goal.
So my name's Ella Corti. I'm a PhD student at the University of Birmingham. I've had a really fun conference, and I think my favourite talk has been from Professor Liam Grover, who was talking us through how he's been developing a new material for eye drops to ensure a better delivery to the surface of the eye and enhancing patient benefit. It was really inspiring.
Hi, I'm Gabriel. I'm a medical student doing a PhD in inflammatory eye disease, and I'm at the Data, Drugs and Devices conference here in Birmingham. And one of my favourite lectures here today was Dr. Colin Chew's lecture about imaging inflammation in the eye, looking at the 3D models of inflammatory cells entering the eye through the capillaries and everything. It was really interesting to see that, because I've only ever seen cells travelling into the eye on diagrams, but you were actually able to see the actual 3D models of the cells. It was incredible.
For more information, www.fightforsight.org.uk or www.visionfoundation.org.uk. Search for Vision Foundation and Fight for Sight on Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn and Facebook.